Hello, this is Melanie L. Denny, certified resume expert, LinkedIn strategist, and president of Resume Evolution. And this is how to use advanced search feature for job search using LinkedIn. Now, as we go to the LinkedIn website, I want to preface this training today by saying that job search is definitely not what it used to be. And in all of my teachings, I really stress the importance of finding people, not jobs. And so I'm not here to talk to you about using the jobs feature of LinkedIn because that's pretty obvious. You go to the jobs, you search for the jobs, you apply. I'm talking about finding people on LinkedIn because at the end of the day, people hire people. And so I wanted to show you how you can use the advanced search feature for your job search. Now, what we want to do is, yes, we want to find people, but not just anybody. We want to find people in a position to hire you. We want to find decision makers. We want to find recruiters. We want to find your potential new bosses. That's who we want to find. And so we can find them. There's over 400 million users on LinkedIn, out of which about 120 million are based in the US. And so the possibilities are endless. And I guarantee you, the type of people you need to be networking with and meeting are on LinkedIn. So let's go try and find them. Now, let's just say, for example, I wanted to be a director of marketing, for example. Well, first of all, I'd want to really tap into people in the marketing industry, right? And so I want to start finding and connecting with and networking with and communicating with people in the networking industry. So, first of all, I'm going to focus on my potential new boss, right? Because those are really the decision makers. Those are the type of people that have the power and the need to hire someone like me, a marketing director. So, what I want to show you now is how to do that using LinkedIn Advanced Search feature. So, at the top of the page here, if you can see my mouse, you want to definitely click on the Advanced button right here. That brings up an extra page where we can actually start to dig deeper into these searches, right? So, of course, you want to definitely put marketing, and perhaps you want to put your potential new boss's job title. So, if you're director of marketing, maybe you report to a senior director of marketing or a VP of marketing or the chief marketing officer, right? So let's just go with VP of marketing for now. Okay. And let's put your location to be near you. So I'm going to put in my zip code, which is 34743. And I want to look 25 mile in a 25-mile radius. Okay. I'm going to keep it like that. And let's see who comes up. Let's hit search. Now, something else I want to point out to you is LinkedIn is really only as good as your network. And so this number here may be different for you based on the number of connections you have and the number of people that fall under your network. This number really opens up, especially if you're in groups that are relevant to the industry that you're in, because then that again opens up your network, and the number of people will definitely raise. But groups is a whole nother topic for another day. So anyway, here are all the results for VP of marketing. So this guy is a senior vice president of marketing. He's in Orlando, Florida. Potentially, I may want to connect with him because he is in a position to hire me potentially. Now, if you want to dig deeper into this, right, you can actually pick companies that you're targeting as well. So, for example, I'm going to put Disney, since Disney's a hot company here in Central Florida. And now let's see what comes up in our search. Wow, that dropped it to only 162 results. How narrow and how specific is this? So let's go through this just a little bit. So this guy, Joe, he's in a group that I'm in, and he's a VP of Walt Disney World marketing. Wow, somebody I may be interested in connecting with. Okay, now once you connect with them, I don't want you to just hit this button here because that may just send the connection request. You definitely going to want to customize a message before you connect with them. So let's actually just go to his profile really quickly. Let's read some more about this guy. So he's a marketing executive, 20 years experience. He works at Disney. He believes in making a difference. Yes, that's great, deep stuff. He believes that breakthrough marketing starts with making strong strategic choices, etc., etc. He's been VP of marketing at Disney, VP of marketing Disney Yellow Shoes. So he's been at Disney for quite a while. Disney Cruise Line and all of that. So potentially, if Disney is a company you'd love to work for, then you kind of sort of have a common ground here with this guy, Joe. So what you can do is you can hit connect right here with Joe, and this is where you're going to be able to customize your message. Okay, you definitely want to say something. Hi, Joe. I noticed you worked with Disney for quite some time, and I'd love to learn more about your journey with the Disney organization, as it's one of the companies on my radar to work with. Love to connect with you. Thanks. Okay, you hit friend when in doubt, and you send the invitation, and you're well on your way. So now Joe can see you as a marketing director, because of course your profile is going to be optimized accordingly. Again, that is another opportunity for a training that I'll be putting out there. But now Joe sees you, you've connected with him, and this is going to create opportunities for you, because potentially Joe can refer you over to his colleagues in marketing. He can want to talk to you directly about, marketing. And he's definitely in a position to hire you potentially. Okay, so that's how I want you to start using LinkedIn advanced search feature for your job search. All right, so again, this is Melanie L. Denny, certified resume expert, LinkedIn strategist, and president of Resume Evolution. And I want you to continue to watch these videos and learn how to really tap into the power of LinkedIn. Signing off.